Hi, and welcome to our channel for Your English, the past and how do we talk about it. Do you want to improve your English? Watch our videos. They have lots of advice for you to improve the way you speak English and to sound closer to how natives use the language. Today, I want to show you how we use the past, the two most common forms of the past tense used in English. There are many more, and I'm sure you know a lot of them, but the two most common are the past simple and the present perfect simple. In other words, past simple, I spoke to Sue yesterday evening. Past simple, subject I spoke to Sue. I went to school. Okay, subject, verb in the past. Present perfect simple is a little more complicated because we have the subject I, have, the verb to have, and the past participle of the verb spoken. Okay, I've spoken to Sue many times. I've spoken to Sue before. So, as you can see, the same sentence can be used in two different tenses, and it has a slight different meaning. That's why we're here. That's why we're doing this video, to explain to you the difference between the two. So let's look at the first one. Past simple. I spoke to Sue yesterday evening. We're describing one particular event that happened at a specific point of time in the past. So I started speaking to Susan in person, on the phone, I don't know. Okay, I spoke to her, we finished, goodbye, bye, see you, and that's gone. Simple, finished in the past. That's how you can remember it. Maybe the past simple, it's simply finished in the past. Okay, past simple, one event usually, and we're giving importance to that particular event at the time when it happened in the past. Okay, yesterday evening I spoke to Sue. We don't know if it was the first time or you've spoken to her many times. We don't know, and we don't care if we use the past simple. The same sentence, present perfect, has a different meaning. I've spoken to Sue before. I've spoken to Sue many times. So what we're trying to convey here, what we're trying to communicate is the fact that we've spoken actually a lot of times. We have spoken before. The fact that it happened is important, not necessarily when. But we know that it happened in the past. Obviously, it's not something that, that is in the present or in the future. So that's one of the main uses of the present perfect when talking in the past. And this video is about the past. So we're going to use that particular meaning. So, in other words, past simple when you want to give importance to when it happened, okay, to a specific thing that started and finished in the past. Present perfect when you want to communicate what happened and not really when, that it happened. So I hope this is not very confusing. I'm going to give you now some keywords that can tell you when to use one and when to use the other. So if you're doing a test at school, an exercise, when you see yesterday, last year, last Christmas, when I was a little kid, 10 years ago, 3 weeks ago, all these references to a specific point in time in the past, then you will use the past simple. When you see words like already, before, yet, many times, a few times, you know that they're looking for the present perfect. So keep this in mind next time you have an English test, okay? So, when in doubt, a little bonus here, when you're in doubt and you're speaking, you're writing an email, you don't know exactly what to use, you don't have time, it's a conversation, use the past simple. It's okay, nobody's gonna get mad, everyone's gonna understand, just use the past simple. Don't use the present perfect if you're in doubt. It's always a little better to use the past simple. That's my advice. Let me know if this was clear. Let me know if you have something specific to ask about the past. You want to know about other tenses, and I'll be happy to do another video and to explain. Thank you very much, and see you soon.